Hi, I'm Sam from TCS Custom. When I wanted to build my first classical guitar, I knew that I would need a solera. When I started this journey back in 2012, I didn't have the tools I have today. So I bought myself a compass plane, a piece of MDF or plywood, and I went to the store like Kinko's or UPS, the printer plotter, and printed out a full-size set of plans that I found online for free. I then proceeded to use my plane to get the correct doming, and I also needed to calculate the correct neck angle. But doing that by hand is really time consuming. It takes a lot of work. You have to get the radius right practically everywhere by hand. Well, eventually my dad had pity on me and he helped me buy a CNC. I learned how to design a 3D model of a workboard or solera. This is the traditional way of building. You don't necessarily need a solera to build a classical guitar, but if you want to do it in the traditional sense, workboard is pretty much essential. When we make our soleras, we make them in the fashion now where you'll have a set of holes for a side mold if you choose a distinct model, or you can choose a solera like this that is your standard classical guitar shape, where you can have slots here for your clamping tools that allow you to clamp the sides onto the soundboard. You can also choose the amount of doming that you want on your solera and the amount of neck slant. Some people choose a neck slant that starts at the 12th fret. I've even done it where it starts at the middle of the sound hole. It really doesn't matter how you want it. That's why we're called TCS Custom Woodworks. We make it custom for you. We also customize logos for your head plates. This one has my logo on it, or my name. It's a very kind of traditional kind of logo that you'll find on a lot of other models. And of course, if you want to put a logo on your classical style headstock, we can do that as well. If you'd like to learn more about us online, find us at tcscustom.com or click the link below in the description. Follow us, subscribe, share, anything that can help us out to make sure that we can reach other people who are building and need help building their next guitar. Thanks.